What's going on, TND squad? I'm Tall and Dark, and in this video we're going to be opening up some battle styles and Sword and Shield base and Breakpoint. But here we go, guys, and I hope you guys were able to get Chilling Rain, but unfortunately I wasn't able to get any Chilling Rain right now. I will try to get some pretty soon, but good luck, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy Chilling Rain. Hopefully you guys are able to get your hands on some. I wasn't lucky enough to get some this time, but here we go. Alright, let me put these to the side real quick. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, Psychic Energy, Hitmonchan, Galarian Linoon, Sea King, Saladit, Clobbopus, Ghastly, Rookity, Sizzlipede, Reverse Dottler, and Grapploct. Alright, let's open up this pack right here. Battle Styles. Here we go, guys. Alright. Okay. Hopefully we get something good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Lightning Energy. Gliscor. Sword and Shieldbird. Fearow. Mingfu. Yamper. Glameow. Corphish. Scatterbug. Reverse Pachirisu, and holographic Steelix. That's pretty cool. Alright, let's open up this Breakpoint. Shiny Gyarados on the pack art. And let me know if you've been able to get any good cards recently from any set. But here we go, guys. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, oh man. I keep messing this up with Breakpoint. Camera Up, this the rare Sudowoodo, Potion, Palpitoad, Phanthump, Glameow, Gibble, Chikorita, Typole, and Reverse Bayleaf. Alright, so this is the last pack. Hopefully we get something good. We only got the holographic Steelix from the other one. Here we go, guys. One of the secret rares would be awesome, like the shiny Houndour. We'll see, guys. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. Leaf Energy, Golbat, Bruno, Carkol, Bellsprout, Bronzor, Murkrow, Cherubi, Horsey, Reverse Perugly, and Drampa. So the only holographic that we got was this holographic Steelix. That happens sometimes. But there we go, guys. If you guys liked the video, hit the like button, and in the comments let me know if you were able to get some Chilling Rain, or if you were able to open up some other packs like Battle Styles or Shining Fates. And I do have a question for you guys. Have you joined the TND squad yet? If not, folks, press the subscribe button, or you can hit the icon over here on the left and on the right where I have some videos you can check out, and I'll catch you in the next video, guys. Peace.